I'm so nervous. Okay, so I gotta look at my hair because I'm about to dye my hair honey blonde. I have been locked. Well, my lock anniversary will be January 1st. Will make 1 year that I have been locked. I'm pretty excited and I'm nervous. What I have learned so far is to be patient. When I first started, I wanted my hair to be locked quicker. And there were days where I wanted to comb them out and put a relaxer in my head. But I am proud to say that I made it. We don't have that much longer until January 1st. So I decided, why not dye them? And I chose this. I did some researching. I'm not an expert, don't quote me, but I did some research on this, and it just seems like this is not harsh on my hair. So I decided to go with this brand. I'm gonna show y'all a close-up of my hair. These are my locks. And then I'm also gonna insert a clip of my progress. This is the back of my hair. I'm excited, y'all, and I'm nervous. I'm just ready for a new look. All right, let's do this. I'm nervous, super nervous. All right, I think I should put a towel around me just to be sure, because this probably is gonna get messy, and I probably should take this off. I don't know. I'm nervous. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I got my towel, and I am about to dye my hair. I probably need some clips for my hair to section it off. Ooh, and I probably need to read the instructions, because I don't even know how long I'm supposed to keep this on for. Look at me. You're ready to mess up already. I'm nervous. Uh-oh. I'm so ready. Okay. Oh, I need the clips. Is this a sign not to do this? Because there's a lot of stuff going on. Okay, y'all, so I sped up the video because I didn't want it to be super long, but at this point I am just sectioning my hair into 4. I was smiling the whole time, y'all, because I was excited and I was nervous. I didn't know how it would come out. So I am mixing the dye in the developer, I believe. And I am just making sure I cover my hair in this dye, because I want to make sure I get every lock. I was afraid that some areas would be darker than others. So I'm just being super heavy on the dye, making sure everything is covered. Since my hair is kind of on the thick side, I just wanted to make sure everything was covered. And yeah, y'all, I'm not a professional. I'm literally just putting this stuff everywhere, making sure that this dye is all over my head. y'all see how fast it's lifting already? I noticed that it was changing super fast. And I started to get nervous because I hadn't even done the other side yet, but it was lifting really, really quick. This stuff was super messy. It was getting all in my face. And I'm just showing you the other side. But I'm like not even in the frame. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I am in love. Y'all, it turned out so good. So, so cute. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye.